everyone, and thanks for joining us again for another appliance repair. This is a Maytag washing machine, and it's a model A9300. I'm making this video specifically for a viewer who is having trouble. This is the washing machine that I switched the timer on, and a friend gave us this machine telling us that it wasn't going through the cycles. When I actually did the test on it, what was actually happening was it was going through all the cycles over and over again. So I did a little bit of diagnostic stuff. We switched the timer on it. We actually had put a used timer on it and figured that it was still doing it. Maybe that was the problem. Bought a brand new timer, spent more money, got it under warranty, still the same problem. So under further studying, sometimes you don't always get it in the first shot. So because it kept going through more cycles, and whenever I had cleaned up the washing machine, I realized that the fill valves that the water goes into in the back, there's screens on the front, and this came from a home in the country with very hard well water. I don't think they had a softener in place at all. Really crud it up. So I'll show you what that looks like. So when your screens get really bad, sometimes they can just have this black soot in them. I had actually aired these out with the air compressor and sprayed them out with water. The bottom screen isn't terrible bad, but you can just tell there's a lot of buildup in it. So what happens is there's solenoids inside of here that can go bad. And for $14, I found this on eBay. It's worth doing the repair because I can still get $100 for the washing machine that was for free. And the parts that I ordered that were wrong, well, we'll just sell those on eBay. Okay, everyone, now that I've got you in position, I just wanted to show you. Right here, you've got a 1/4 inch screw, and then you've got some screws here that are 5/16, and they also have a slot for a screwdriver. This is an old Maytag, and one of the nice things about the old Maytags is they made them a little easier for the Maytag man to do the repair on. New Maytags are actually made by Whirlpool. So I'm just going to loosen these out. Don't over loosen them because you don't want to have this come over on the inside. So this just lifts up, and there's a slot down here. Okay, so you're just going to want to pull this all out. Now you can disconnect that further. It is connected by a hose here, so you could do it either way. Anyways, now Whirlpool is made by Kenmore, and you get that quality and ease with repair so that everything's kind of coming up part-wise easier to get. So we're just going to remove that and put that aside. On these older ones, they're put on with a pressure screw, so we're just going to remove that. You can remove your wires to get to that easier. You just have to remember what order they went on. So your whites are going to be facing in, the red and the blue facing out. And this is another 1/4 inch screw. And yes, you are going to want to keep a bucket handy, or a towel for that. So we're just going to release this wiring harness, and there it is, all taken out. Now keep in mind, this is probably a 30-year-old washing machine. So you have to decide whether you're going to call a repairman or you're going to try these couple of things that cost a few dollars. Now eventually you would just want the new washing machine. This is very small capacity. by today's standards. But like for us in a rental situation, and you want to provide your tenants with a washing machine, or you got just a single person or an older person, it's better to just keep these old things running. A lot of the new stuff will only last you for a couple of years anyway. Okay, so we're going to put these back on in the order that we took them off. So you're going to remember that it was orange and white, and then your blue and white. We're going to put the cover back on. And just remember that your screw hole went on top and that your slat went on bottom. Okay, so we're lining the slot up here, push in slightly, and then we'll just put that top screw back in. And just like that, your fill valve has been switched out, ready for the repair, or ready for running. So we'll do a little test here. So that's how you replace your fill valve on your Maytag model A9300 washing machine. I hope that helps everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll let you know how it goes. Bye.